Welcome, today in front of me TCL Top 10 and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that we should scroll down to the advanced features, then tap here to the screen recorder and you will see here the record touch interactions. If you want to see the screen touches, click here once on the switcher. If you want to turn them off, just click on the switcher once again. And also we have the second way how we can just activate the just change the screen recording settings. First we should open the notification panel and somewhere here find the screen recorder icon. Just for example, for a while hold this white icon and you will launch the screen recorder the same settings, and by this way you can see also here the screen touches feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.